Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you still haven't subscribed, then please do subscribe. And now let's get started with today's video. So in this video, I'm going to let you know about a hair oil that can solve problems like hair loss, dandruff, and yes, premature graying, which is one of the biggest concerns of our generation. The hair oil that I'm talking about is from Blue Nectar, and it is an Ayurvedic medicinal oil, and this is called Briganantadi hair oil, and it's a hair repair plus treatment oil, and it is Ayurvedic, which is why I am definitely going to suggest you to try it out. The link will be in the description in case you want to check this out. First, let's take a closer look of the packaging. So here is a closer look of the Blue Nectar Contemporary Ayurved Briganantadi hair repair and treatment oil. So here is the 100 ml bottle, which is very cute, and the color of the bottle is blue and it looks very beautiful. You can carry it in your bag also in case you're traveling. It's very convenient. And this is a 100 ml bottle, which is priced at rupees 475, and the shelf life is 3 years, which is pretty long. And I really like that it has a very nice golden cap on the top of it, so it looks very premium. And there are 9 herbs in it. So let's see what the 9 herbs are. So the 9 vital herbs are Bringraj, Amla, Neelpatra, Mulethi, Makalganj, and quite a lot of them, as you can see mentioned on the pack. And also it is having no preservative, no color, no flavor, and no excipient. And this is how the outer cardboard box looks like, and it has the description, so let's read that as well. This is traditional Ayurvedic oil containing 9 vital herbs containing all nutrients required to prevent hair loss, premature graying, and remove dandruff. Additionally, it cools the head and promotes lush hair growth. Directions: massage warm oil on hair from scalp to end, leave it for 30 minutes and wash or rinse with mild cleanser. You can also use it overnight. I think that way you can get the maximum benefit from this oil. Ayurvedic proprietary medicine. This is not a cosmetic product and has therapeutic properties. Stored in a cool and dry place for external use only. So also the contact details are right there. And apart from that, I want to show you one thing. So the usage of this oil is premature graying, hair fall, dandruff, and also if you have stress, like all of us does have stress because of a really hectic lifestyle these days, this oil can relieve you from stress. So it has a cooling effect that can just give you a good night's sleep and release the stress that you have all over the day. So definitely do give it a try. I'll put the purchase link in the description below. So now I'm going to show you how I use the Briganantadi oil on my hair and scalp. I really like the smell of this. It's very cooling on the scalp. So it's not too greasy, so you can apply it overnight and then wash your hair in the morning. So you won't feel uncomfortable that it's very greasy and you cannot sleep. It's not like that. You can easily apply it and get the complete benefit from this oil. So now I'm going to take a few drops of the Briganantadi oil on my hand and then start applying it onto my scalp. I generally have a bit of dandruff problem these days. My scalp becomes a bit flaky if I don't apply this oil on a regular basis. To get rid of the dandruff, I am applying this oil, although I am not suffering from any premature graying, but I think you should give it a try if you are suffering from premature graying, because most of the people who do not take care of their diet and do not apply oil regularly on their scalp actually suffers a lot of premature gray. Once I'm done applying oil on my scalp, I just take my comb and run it through my hair so that the oil spreads throughout the length till the tip of my hair and nourishes it. The 2 main ingredients in this hair oil is Brahmi and Amla, which is really good for darkening the color of your hair. So if you want to go chemical free and solve all your hair and scalp related problem, do check this hair oil out, and I will be back with my new video very soon on this channel. So stay tuned, keep subscribed, and also like and share this video. Bye.